Hi everyone, today let's discuss the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. So India has 43 sites, जिसमें से 1 is a mixed site, 7 are natural sites and 35 are cultural sites. So starting with the 1 mixed site, there's only 1 mixed site in India which is known for basically both its natural heritage and the cultural heritage. That is Kanchenjunga or Kanchenjunga, which is basically in Sikkim. Now let's discuss the 7 natural sites. So the first one is the Great Himalayan National Park, which is basically in Himachal Pradesh. Then we have Kaziranga, which is also a tiger reserve. It's in Assam. Then we have Keoladeo National Park. This is also the Keoladeo Ghana Bird Sanctuary, which is also a Ramsar site and is in the Montreux record. This is in Rajasthan. Then we have Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, again in Assam. So Assam ke do ho gaye, Kaziranga and Manas. Then we have Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers, which is in Uttarakhand. It's a beautiful place. Then we have Sundarbans, which we all know is in West Bengal. And then we have Western Ghats. So 7 natural sites, 1 mixed sites. And then we have 35 cultural sites. Let's discuss the 35 cultural sites in UNESCO World Heritage List for India. The first one is Agra Fort in Agra. Second is Ajanta Caves in Maharashtra. Third is Nalanda University or Nalanda Mahavira in Bihar. Then is the Buddhist monuments at Sachi in Madhya Pradesh. Then we have Champangarh Pavargarh Archaeological Park, which is in Gujarat. Then we have the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Then we have the churches and convents of Goa in Goa. Then Dholavira is a Harappan city of the Indus Valley civilization in Gujarat. Then we have Elephanta Caves in Maharashtra, Ellora Caves in Maharashtra again, Fatehpur Sikri near Agra, then Great Living Chola Temples in Tamil Nadu, group of monuments at Hampi in Karnataka, group of monuments at Mahabalipuram, which is also called Mahamallapuram. This is in Tamil Nadu and the Pallav dynasty was present in Mahabalipuram. Then we have the group of monuments at Pattadakal in Karnataka. Pattadakal is on the Malprabha river and this place belonged to the Chalukya dynasty. Then we have the hill forts of Rajasthan, in Rajasthan of course. Then we have the historic city of Ahmedabad in Gujarat. Then we have Humayun's tomb in Delhi. So this is the first one we've got in Delhi till now. Then we have Jaipur as a city in Rajasthan. Then we have the Kakatiya Rudreshwara temple or the Ramappa temple. It's in Telangana. ये काकतीय डायनेस्टी ने बनवाया था. Then we have the Khajuraho group of monuments in Madhya Pradesh. These were built by the Chandela dynasty. Then we have the Mahabodhi temple complex at Bodh Gaya. So related to Buddhism, we see 2 of these in Bihar. One was the Nalanda and this is the Mahabodhi temple complex at Bodh Gaya. Basically the place where Buddha attained enlightenment. Then we have the latest entry, which is Moidams, the mound burial system of Ahom dynasty in Assam. Then we have the mountain railways of India. There are 3 mountain railways. One is Darjeeling, the other is Kalka Shimla and the third one is in Nilgiris. Then we have Qutub Minar and its monuments, Delhi. So Delhi के अब 2 हो चुके हैं. एक हो गया था Humayun's tomb and दूसरा हो गया Qutub Minar and its monuments. Then we have Rani Ki Vav in Gujarat, Patan in Gujarat. Then we have the Red Fort complex. So Delhi के total 3 हैं. One is Red Fort complex, the other one is Qutub Minar and the complex, and the third one is Humayun's tomb. Then we have rock shelters of Bhimbetka, the famous Bhimbetka caves and their paintings in Madhya Pradesh. Then we have the sacred ensembles of Hoysala. Hoysala dynasty bhi Karnataka mein thi. Then we have Shanti Niketan in West Bengal associated with Tagore. Then we have Sun Temple at Konark in Odisha. Then we have Taj Mahal in Agra. तो आगरा फोर्ट, ताज महल और फतेहपुर सीकरी तीनों हो गए हैं. Then we have the architectural work of Le Corbusier, an outstanding contribution to the modern movement, basically Chandigarh. After that we have Jantar Mantar of Jaipur. So Jantar Mantar in Delhi is not a part of the UNESCO World Heritage List, but the Jantar Mantar in Jaipur is. In my comment section, please tell me कितने Jantar Mantar हैं India में total. Then the last one is Victorian Gothic and Art Deco ensembles of Mumbai, Maharashtra.